First, we will start with the customer-facing iPad. The customer-facing iPad will display a screen prompting the customer to input their phone number. After inputting their phone number, they will need to accept the agreement to speak with a team member about drop-off options before leaving. Then they will be brought to a form where they will fill in their personal information. With that completed, we can move to the employee-facing iPad for the rest of the process. Now onto the employee-facing iPad, most commonly known as Gatekeeper. If on the home screen, you should click on the Kiosk Plus application. It will load the check-ins. This can also be loaded at 192.168.1.151:8080/check-in to see the information on any register. After the first check-in comes from the customer-facing iPad, the customer's name will pop up blinking blue, indicating their check-in needs to be accepted. If for any reason the customer-facing iPad is not working, you can click the plus create button on the top right corner on the Gatekeeper to find the customer you are assisting. This feature works very similarly to the new invoice in Baseline. Each customer checked in will have a unique number to be able to easily identify them when later printing tags. Once you click on the customer, it will pop up with a Baseline card linked with Patch, or it will have you enter information to create a customer card including ID in states where it is required. Verify their contact information as we use it to inform the buy is completed. In states it is required, check the ID number that is recorded in Baseline for every customer. You will need to enter your Baseline password to see the ID number. If a customer stays in the store, you can just hit Finish Check-in. If a customer is dropping off items to return to the store later, we will want to select the drop-off toggle. You will have the option to pre-select cash or store credit if you choose. Right below that, you can print the drop-off contract. We do not have the option for stores to customize this individually. The customer will stay in the Checked-in tab until you have completed pre-sorting. Once that is done, you will select the customer and click Sort Complete. At this point, the buy will be eligible to show up on IMAP. The process to do the buy in IMAP is the same as it was before. Once you click Ready for Payout in IMAP, the customer will move to Offer Ready on the iPad. If you opted to send automatic text messages for buys, the text message will be sent to the customer now. If your buy goes over 100 items, do not check the customer in the iPads for the second time. Simply enter their number and select a pre-sorter to begin the second buy. This will prevent the customer from getting duplicate text and cluttered iPads. As you continue to use vendor check-in, there will be a large amount of customers entered to keep track of it. Click the arrows at the top of each tab and you can collapse the section to limit clutter. To see buys that are not showing on the Gatekeeper, you will head to Baseline, Buys and Consignments, Check-in Summary.